Hi everyone, this is a quick demo of Knovigator. Knovigator is a personal knowledge base optimized for online research and learning. I'm going to show how we can save and retrieve interesting quotes we may encounter online and demo Knovigator's tagging capabilities. But first, I want to show just a little bit of background on Knovigator and how it's organized. The atomic unit of organization in Knovigator is the quest. The quest is simply a list of answers or articles or notes or web page highlights. So essentially we can see that we have a list of the most recent quest here, the most recent being this usefulness of quotes, tag Knovigator. And as we scroll down, this is just a list of my most recent quests. And then I can add various notes to it. And these notes could be just my own writing or things that I import from the web. When I go back, I again see my most recent quests, the most recent being the one I just created. And I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And now I'm going to demonstrate importing online research into Knovigator. So if I go to this Preserve Capital webpage with a lot of quotes about preserving capital, when I highlight the quote, I'm presented with the Chrome Knovigator extension, and I click on Answer. Now I'm presented with a list of my recent quests, so I can choose which one to import into. So none of these are really the correct choice, and I'm gonna create a new one. And I'm gonna tag it Preserve Capital. I'm also gonna tag this particular entry in the quest with the author's name. I'm going to do the same for the next quote by Warren Buffett. Again, the Chrome extension for Knovigator pops up. I click Answer. Now, since I've already created a quest for this search session, I no longer have to title this quest, and it's presented as the most recent one for me. And I'm going to go ahead and just tag this particular quote with the author's name. Now when I go to Knovigator and reload the page, I'm presented with, again, a list of my most recent quests. Of course, the most recent being the one I just created, named How to Preserve Capital. And I see that I'm given a preview of this quest with the first answer of the quest being highlighted for me, and I'm going to go ahead and click into it, and this will expand the entire quest and show me both quotes. Furthermore, if I go back, I can search and it shows me search results 1 of 1, being the Preserve Capital quest. Let's say that I wanted Warren Buffett quotes in particular. It will actually show me the quest and highlight the Warren Buffett quote inside of it. Let's say I now go to Masters Invest and I want to save 2 more quotes. Let's choose this one by George Soros. Again, I'm going to go ahead and tag it. And here, I'm going to rename the quest since this is a different topic. I'm going to go ahead and save this again. The Chrome extension pops up. I choose Answer, and once again I've only entered the title once, but it's presented to me as my latest quest and I no longer have to title it, I'm just going to go ahead and tag it with the author's name. Now when I go back and reload the page, once again I'm presented with my most recent quests. What is your investing edge? Here's how to preserve capital, my previous quest. What I can do is, when I search for Warren Buffett, I'm presented with just the Warren Buffett quotes in each of those quests, so it pulls out the relevant answer in the quest. Furthermore, when I go to tags, I see a list of my previous tags, including Warren Buffett, and when I click on Warren Buffett, I'm again presented with the relevant Warren Buffett quotes. Thanks for checking out this demo.